Hello, I am Jemitrice Kelly and I go by JKelly Sells Real Estate. I'm a hands-on realtor that prides myself on the exceptional service that I provide each client. This stunning home is located in the beautiful Apopka, Florida. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content and hit the bell so you can receive notifications of new uploads. If you're in need of a realtor and would like a private tour, please contact me today. If you enjoy touring beautiful homes, enjoy this showing. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at JKelly Sells Real Estate. Your needs are always the priority. Click subscribe and enjoy the tour.
You like liquid honey. You taste so sweet. I can't help myself. You like candy. You like liquid honey. Oh.
Hope you're enjoying the tour thus far. Don't forget, click subscribe and the little bell. JKelly Sells Real Estate.
To be without you, I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can